Hello everyone, RBY here, and welcome back to another episode of Minez. So, this time I'm going to record solo for this episode, because DeuceCat, is having some kind of problem with his computer, or with his internet, or something to where when he records on the server, it crashes. So, and EMS, just isn't available at the moment, so I'm just recording this solo. There's 11 other people on, which kinda sucks. I hate playing with other people. It totally ruins the experience for me, because I suck at PvP in this game. I have some kind of curse. Like, I cannot do... I have never killed someone in Minez. I have killed people with DeuceCat or EMS, but they're always the one that kills them. Like, there was one where I had a bow battle with someone, took his health down to 2 hearts, and then DeuceCat killed him. So, yeah. I think, yeah, that's Portsmouth right there. I recognize it. Okay, so, like, that's kinda cool, but... Oh, crap. Yeah, there's people here, I'm pretty sure. Because they're not using the Eye of Ender. I'd like to completely bypass this. I kind of have a route that I can take. But I kind of need the supplies. Okay, I have to do this. There's a lot of zombies. I at the very least need the potions. Ooh, yeah, someone's been here. Someone is here. Definitely. I don't know where, but hopefully not in the chapel. I'm thinking there's 2 people. Yep, 2 people. No potions. I could attack them. The only problem is they could potentially be friendly. With my luck that I usually have, probably not. But I just need... If I could get at least... Yeah, I'm thinking you guys heard that too. If I could get at least like 3 potions, I would leave. But I need something. Okay, the forge usually has military loot. Just some arrows. If I could get a bow, I'd have a better chance of attacking these guys. If they potentially attack. I'm not gonna try to attack them. But if they attack me, I don't really have a choice. There's a zombie. Hey, there we go. At least I think there's only 2 people. Oh, I think someone's poisoned. Because they're asking for milk, which is antibiotic. No, wait, what? Do you have milk? No, I got one? Is he saying... Crap. There he is. Is it killing him? Oh, crap. Oh. Okay. I need these potions at the very least. Yeah, they're digging graves. Ah, my gosh. Stupid chapel spawn. A potion chest. Yeah, they have an advantage because at least one of them has a chainmail chestplate, which gives them an advantage in battle. I'm gonna uncrouch. This military loot could save me if it had anything in it. Come on. I'll be heading on my way once these two people leave. Or, well, no, actually, they're probably not gonna leave. I'm gonna be the one that's leaving. Ah. This is extremely dangerous what I'm doing, but I need the potions. Or at the just at least another bandage if they're not friendly. Chances are they're not. With the player luck that I usually have, it's not going to be friendly. I think some good loot spawns at the end of these docks, but I can never remember. Apple. Yep, that was some pretty good loot. I bet someone's probably already in there and it's probably full completely. Filled like 2 seconds ago. Okay, that military chest doesn't let me spawn. Trap chest. Pretty sure that doesn't exist. And if it does, it doesn't do anything. Ooh, snowball. Those things suck, but in combat they might be useful. You have a button. Shears, no arrows. Please. I want to get out of here. I don't know why they're not looting anything else. Yes! Potion. Oh yes! 3 potions. Okay, I'll get out of here now. I'm gonna have to be a little cautious because I don't have a lot of potions to blow away. Okay. I need to start heading north. If I wanna... Okay, I think they are in the crypt. Where's the way out? It's over here. No, where is it? There, I can see there's a nameplate over there. Paper. Start calling it by what it is. It's a bandage, people. Way out. Yep, it's over here. Oh, okay. He's bleeding. Oh. He probably got a bandage. More stuff. Okay, I have a few choices where to go. I could go to the Evergreen Manor. I really don't want to go through this biome, to tell you the truth. I'm really not sure. I think I'm gonna... I could go to the... Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna go to the desert, now that I have the potions. And I can go up to Yapton, which has some pretty good military loot. The only problem is the zombies are really good. Like, I'm pretty sure they have iron swords. Stupid rain. Of all the things, I need something like it. Oh. Oh, that's awesome. The Evergreen Manor, basically, there's a problem with it, because you have to have 2 stone buttons, because if you just use one, you can get in, but then you're trapped inside. And you'll starve to death, or bleed to death, because you'll never get out. Because I think it lacks something in there, I'm not sure. So you need 2 buttons. Hey, hey, please tell me that desert mechanics work in action. Yeah, they don't. Come on. Raining in the desert? No. Okay, thank you. Okay, so it rains in this part of the desert, but not in this part. Okay, fine by me. Okay, so I'm gonna walk along the desert. Oh, should have taken water. That's okay. Nope, see, raining in the desert. Nope, no it's not. Raining in the desert. I hate that, because when it rains, it starts instantly lowering my frame rate significantly. Ugh. Stupid rain. Go away. No one likes you. Okay, actually, I'm going to stop the recording until I hit something. Okay. I think this is Pravis that I just hit. Okay, so... it might have some people in it. Chances are it probably does. Does this place have a chapel? I think it does? I'm not sure. I don't usually hang around this place. I don't really like it. I don't really like deserts. All I know is that I don't really want to be here. So... let's see. Oh, there's a chest. I will loot the chests that I walk by, and it gets me the most useful item in the game. And there's a zombie. Okay. Oh, there's a chest there. Ooh. Score. That's a score there. Ooh, and a button. That might be useful later on. Don't get pricked by the cactus. That'd be a stupid way to lose hearts. Okay. I'll run out of water soon if I don't find anything. I'm thinking... yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the... actually, give me a second, I'm gonna check the map. Okay, yep, I'm right. It's this way. Okay, so the road it'll fork off to the right. If I keep walking this way, Yopton, then there should be a logging camp. I'm not 100% sure what's there. Probably some logs. Just a little bit of a... just guessing here. Yeah, Yopton up here. Man, my world is invisible partially. It's okay, as long as it's not invisible while I'm walking on it. There's a building. It's laggy and glitchy. All I know is that I saw a chest in here. Yep. And there's some stuff. Here. Whoever comes in here can have some rotten flesh. Okay. Let's keep walking in this direction. Okay. Give me a sec, guys. Actually, I'm pretty sure this is a chapel. Yeah, this is a chapel. It might have, potions. Yeah, this is a chapel with no chests. Just my luck. I'm not gonna wait around for some chests to spawn. Okay, we should be... yeah, we're almost there. Yeah, this is the bridge to the not desert place. And Yopton isn't far from that. Of course the bridge is broken, so I get to take a little swim to refill my water though. Okay. Ah, come on. Swim. Okay. I think I should be reaching it soon. I don't think Yopton... I think Yopton is a kind of a popular place, but I don't think it's that popular of a place for, like, visitors. This is probably kind of boring for some of you peoples. Come on, stupid Yopton, hurry up. I got a video to record. Come on. Oh wait, I'm gonna stop the recording, and when I get to Yopton, I will start it back up. Okay, I'm approaching Yopton. And, ooh, there's a chapel in Yopton? Oh, that's pretty cool. It's Yopton. Gotta watch out there. There's some good loot zombies. Give me a sec, guys. Okay, so I'm going to loot this. Oh, guess I haven't done that on the European server. I'm playing this on the European server because there's less people, and I like less people. Hey. Despawn. Okay. I like having less people. It's much more entertaining in my opinion. There must be some... Is this not a church? There's a cross on top. And I was pretty sure that when there's a cross, that means that it's going to spawn potion chests. Learn something new every day, I guess. Oh, zombies, crap. Let's move into one of these buildings. And those are the houses that I'm pretty sure ooh, there's the forge. That's gonna have the good loot. Okay, let's actually head over to that forge. Yeah, that's gonna be the thing that has all the good loot. The other stuff is still gonna have pretty good loot, but this is gonna have the sword and bow and stuff. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure this thing can spawn iron swords. If you're lucky. Which means I'm probably not gonna get it. Yeah, blacksmith. Same thing. Okay. Oh, crap. There's a zombie right in the building. Just my luck. Uh-oh. Is there any more? Is it just this one? I can take out just the one. Hello, zombie. Oh, crap, there's two. I need to get to a different spot to fight these guys. Come on. Ugh, they're right by the chest. Ooh, if I can get them caught on this fence, though. Oh, never mind. What the heck? Okay, took a ton of unnecessary damage for that. I don't know. That was stupid. Ooh, but I get some good loot for that, for the damage I took. Oh, that's really good. Some chain gear. Awesome. Okay. I'm going to climb up here, and if there's any loot, I will loot it. And then I will have to sign off. Is there an upstairs? There isn't an upstairs? Oh, now I look like an idiot. Because I thought there was something upstairs. Okay, so I guess I'm going to sign out right here in the corner of this building. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, all likes always appreciated. Comment, subscribe, helps my channel out a lot. RBY, signing out. Bye.